Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add your digital annual card to your Samsung Galaxy wallet. So as you can see, this is the official website of samsung.com and they have added the complete guide on how can you add your annual card to your mobile phone. So if we scroll down a little bit, we will find this complete guide. As you can see, how to add digital annual card to your Samsung Galaxy, and here is the first step. Open the annual app and tap on get on annual card. As you can see, they have also attached the screenshot of it. Get your annual card, and once you click here, tap on digitize physical annual card. As you can see, these are the options. So from here you just need to click digitize physical annual card. So this will basically create a kind of virtual card for your mobile phone where you can pay, and after that you will see a notification informing that you can only digitize an annual card if it is a silver or gold card. Tap on next. So as you can see here, like annual silver card or gold card, so select it, and from here just click on get it or next option, and from that place your annual card on the back of your smartphone. The details of the physical annual card will be transferred to the digital annual card using NFC. So when you place your card just like below your phone, the NFC will automatically detect the details, and after that you will be notified once the app has read the annual card. Click on continue to activate the digital annual card. Once done, the physical card won't be usable. So after that, what you can do is just click on like it may take a few minutes for the digital annual card to be issued to your phone. Once complete, you will be notified. As you can see, card issued successfully, and when you go to the metro or bus station, all you need to do is just open the annual app and tap your Samsung Galaxy on the reader on the entry gates, and after that you will be able to pay with the annual card. So that is a simple and complete process of how you can add your annual card to Samsung Galaxy wallet.